Hi. So, would you be interested to know more about what exactly will be covered in this program, which we are calling as the IIoT for chemical industries at the level that is Pravesh? So, the agenda is like this. It is essentially a 3 days program split into 6 sessions of 2 hours each. On the first day, in the first session, will be coming from the key challenges of chemical industry and conventional solutions which are practiced to address those challenges. Then we'll be dwelling a bit upon artificial intelligence and what its relevance is to IIoT. In the session 2, we'll be covering the introduction to Industry 4.0 and the way IoT is enabling that. We will also start with the IoT sensors, their connectivity, IoT platforms, and people, and how the whole strategic implementation goes for. On day 2, in session 1, we'll be now getting into details of asset performance monitoring. So this is specifically about the predictive and prescriptive maintenance. We'll be also walking you through the Equinox use cases based upon the real life projects that we have worked upon. In the session 2, we'll be covering few more use cases from around the world, which are the practical use cases. We'll be also walking you through a demo of some recent project, which will be essentially the instructor led demo. On day 3, that is the last day, in the first session, we'll be starting with the data analytics in detail in the context of artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Then we'll be also offering the participants a workshop which is based on Excel to understand the concepts of AI and ML. In the session 2, we'll be talking about the emerging technologies such as artificial neural network, robotic process automation, and blockchain. We'll be also offering here one simple workshop based on Excel again to understand the concepts of artificial neural network. And lastly, we'll be ending this program and this session by walking you through a demo of robotic process automation based on some simple use case for you to have better visibility in terms of what this technology is and then what all is needed on your side to align your processes to adopt this new technology. So if you think that these aspects, these topics interest you, they fit your requirement, then do register into this training program. Thank you so much.